Hi guys, a beautiful day, slightly foggy day. Sun has just risen. It's about 8:30 right now. I'm using the Galaxy S20 Ultra. I just want to give you guys quick video of the zoom feature. It actually works pretty good during the day. This is the normal. I'll show you the wide angle. That's the wide angle. Wide angle looks pretty good. Let's go back to normal. And let's, you see that house in the middle? We're gonna do a 5x zoom. Looks pretty good. I feel like the focus sometimes is sort of hunts. Let's try going in further. In 4K video, you can do up to 20x. Isn't too bad. I mean, you can, yeah, it's not too bad. Let's go ahead and try 10x. So I think 10x is supposed to be optical. I feel like it's not too bad. Yeah, 4x, 2x. 2x compared to last year's Galaxy Note 10 Plus, I feel like it's not as good because I might be using the zoom lens, and I think it's really geared for like completely super bright situations. As you can see at 10x optical zoom, it doesn't look that great. But I'll have to test in full sunlight. This is sort of slight, I mean, it's still bright enough. Should work. But yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed. I feel like the lens setup, I think it's not that great. You know, I have cameras at home, zoom lenses on my DSLR and my mirrorless cameras. And the cheaper lenses, you get very low light performance. I mean, it looks pretty good during the day. That's actually not too bad. So 5x zoom I think is the most I'm going to use. Again, if I go like do 10, I think the quality really degrades even though it's optical. So 5x I think is good. With 4K video you can do up to 20, and that's still actually pretty usable. It's not too bad. It's a little pixelated. But yeah, so I think if you wanted to get the ultimate zoom, I would wait out. Don't get the Ultra this year. I think Samsung will definitely improve upon the camera lens setup. But I think this year, like I said, it's just not there. I feel like it's a little not as good as I thought it would be. 5x is probably the most I'm gonna go for here. Anyway, have a great day. I just want to give you a quick test with the zoom feature on the S20 Ultra. Is it worth it? I don't think so. I think you should get the regular S20 series. I think that's better option. All right, bye-bye.